दीदी, मुझे आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछना है। जो ये पाउडर है वो पानी के अंदर डूब क्यों नहीं रहा? आज हम एक साइंस एक्सपेरिमेंट करेंगे कि हम देखेंगे कि ये पाउडर पानी में डिजॉल्व क्यों नहीं हो रहा।
इसके लिए सबसे पहले हम ये पानी लेते हैं। आप देख लीजिए, मैंने पहले ही चॉक पाउडर है या कोई टेल्कम पाउडर है, हमने डाला हुआ है। अब मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि ये डूब क्यों नहीं रहा। ठीक है, इसका पहला रीजन है देयर आर एयर particles trapped between the particle. You can see powder particles often have tiny air spaces between them. When you sprinkle powder on the water, these air pockets make the overall density of the powder less water, helping it float temporarily. But when we stir it with any stick, you can see when we take a stick, when we stir it, now air entrapment get disturbed. Fine. Now this air entrapment disturbed. Fine. And second reason is there is surface tension of water. Water molecules stick tightly to each other, forming an invisible film called surface tension. Invisible mean that is not visible with the naked eye. Fine, but it is a surface tension in which the particle they attach to each other very tightly. This surface resists the powder particle from breaking through, so that sit on top for a while. Next is hydrophobic nature.
मम्मा, मैंने आपसे कुछ पूछना था, पर जब हमने इसको मिक्स कर दिया तो अगर हम वापस पाउडर पा देंगे तो फिर वो वापस वैसे हो जाएगा।
Yes, new powder that will remain on the surface, but the powder that is already at the bottom, that would not become at the top. Fine, because as I told you, second reason is that is a surface tension, and the third one is that is a hydrophobic nature, that is a water repelling nature of the powder. You can see, take a powder in the hand, take the powder in hand.
It's not putting on.
Now you can feel. Put in the hand. Give him. He will feel the hydrophobic nature. Have the powder in the hand. That one. Fine. The powder has you can see it has a hydrophobic nature. When we pour the powder on any watery surface, what they do? They absorb it. It means they have a hydrophobic nature, meaning they repel the water. Water does not wet them easily. Now again you can see water not able to wet them very easily. So they stay on the surface instead of the sinking. Fine? Got it?
Yes.
When it eventually sink, if you stir the powder completely, fine, the air displace and surface tension is broke. Now you can see, as I told you, surface tension is broken down.
Mama,
Now again,
Mama, may I mix it again?
yeah, you can break the surface tension. Now you can observe very minutely.
Mama, see,
Janish will help you to disturb it.
that side.
One minute. 1 minute. One by one do it. See it. Now surface tension is disturbed. Fine. Do it. Complete. Give to Didi. Do it. Once the water surrounds a particle fully, they gain density and they sink. In short, powder does not sink in water right way because of air trapment between the particle, surface tension and sometimes water repelling properties. But once wet, it will sink. Fine. Thank you so much. Stay connecting for more science experiment. Now you got it?
Yes.
Why the powder does not sink and why does it sink? Thank you.